In this video, we're going to look at how to use the cosine rule to find the unknown angle in a triangle. In our last video, we looked at how to use the cosine formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c to find the unknown side. This same formula can also be used to find the unknown angle, but first we need to make cos c the subject. So we're going to start off with the original formula. We're then going to subtract c squared from both the left and the right hand side. This will get rid of the c squared term on the left. We're also going to add 2ab cos c to both the left and the right hand side. This is going to get rid of the negative 2ab cos c term on the right. And this will give us 2ab cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2ab. This will get rid of the 2ab on the left, and this will give us the final formula, the cosine rule for finding angle being cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared, all divided by 2ab. Now that we have derived the cosine rule formula for finding angle, the next step is to understand what each of the variables in this formula stands for. Consider an arbitrary triangle, triangle ABC. The convention is that we use capital letters to represent the vertices. For example, vertex A is denoted using capital A, vertex B is denoted using capital B, and vertex C is denoted using capital C. We use lowercase letters to represent the sides. So the side opposite angle A is going to be denoted using lowercase a. The side opposite angle B is going to be denoted using lowercase b. And the side opposite angle C is going to be denoted using lowercase c. So let's connect this with the cosine rule formula. Capital C is the unknown angle. So in this diagram, this is going to correspond to this angle. A and B in this formula represents the adjacent angles to angle C. So that's going to be this side and this side. And lowercase c is the side opposite the unknown angle, which is going to be this side in this diagram. Let's now look at an example on how to use this cosine rule. Example 1. We want to find the unknown angle marked x on this triangle. We're going to begin by writing the cosine rule. Cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared, all divided by 2ab. Our next step is to identify what to substitute into each of the variable. Capital C is the unknown angle, so in this diagram, capital C will get replaced by x. A and B are the adjacent angles to angle C, so we can set A to be equal to 8 and B to be equal to 6, or the other way around. It's not going to affect our final answer. Lowercase c is the side opposite the unknown angle C, so in this diagram, lowercase c will be substituted with 5. Once we identify all these values for the substitution, we then substitute into the formula. This will give us cos x is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 5 squared, all divided by 2 times 6 times 8, which evaluates to 75 divided by 96. Then to find the unknown angle x, we then take the inverse cosine of 75 on 96, and this will give us the angle x being equal to 38 degrees and 37 minutes to the nearest minute. Our next example, example 2. In this example, we want to find the unknown angle marked y. Again, we're going to start off with the formula. Cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared, all over 2ab. We now need to identify what each of the variables stands for. Capital C is the unknown angle. So in this diagram, capital C will correspond to y. A and B are the adjacent angles to angle y. So we can set A to be 12 and B to be 5, or the other way around. C, lowercase c, is the side opposite the unknown angle. So in this case, our C will be equal to 16. Once we identify the values of each variable, we simply substitute it in. So we're going to get cos y is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared minus 16 squared, all divided by 2 times 5 times 12. And when we evaluate this, we're going to get negative 87 divided by 120. Then to find y, we simply take inverse cosine of negative 87 on 120, and we're going to get y being the obtuse angle 136 degrees and 28 minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy that. For more videos on this topic or other topics, please do check out our channel. We do release videos weekly, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. We hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.